Now, would you guys believe that it's been 10 years since I showed you how to install this custom Katzkin leather interior in my F-150? I can't, and it's held up great. There's no issues with it whatsoever. But it is a custom leather interior, and sometimes you just want to change it up. And that's exactly what Alan decided to do, so he took his 2 old Chevy trucks back to Katzkin in Montebello, California, and got the latest styles. And while he was there, he also gave us a factory tour. Check this out.
I'm Tim Clyde, I'm the CEO of Katzkin Leather, and we make custom leather automotive interiors. Katzkin was started in 1983 by Mitch Katz and his sister Leslie. They were siblings or next of kin, and so the name became Katzkin. And since 1986, we have made close to 2 million leather interiors.
After having Tim Clyde, the CEO of Katzkin, on my radio show a number of times over the years, and watching their success story unfold right in front of my eyes, I decided it was time to give my 7-year-old Chevy Silverado 1-ton an interior makeover.
The really cool thing is that we are doing hundreds and hundreds of custom interiors every day. We have 24 hours from the time that we get the order to the time that we ship it to our customer to complete that order.
To redesign and upgrade this enormous truck, I sent Katzkin some photos and dove right into the creative transformation process with their design team.
So we bring in very high quality leather and our folks hand inspect it every day. We are looking for all sorts of flaws, from tick bites to brands that are on the leather, etc. We've invested significantly in automated cutting and sewing equipment and technology so that we can make a leather interior affordable for consumers and optimize the yield that we get out of our leather.
Since the truck has a bold red exterior, I chose a rich cognac brown with a specialty leather called Barracuda. When perforated, it reveals the red-tinted flesh leather beneath.
Custom interior requires that we cut and sew and put together every day over 200 parts that go into an interior. Some of those components are little plastic parts that are used to ensure that we have a fit and finish in the installation that matches or exceeds the fit and finish of an OEM interior. After we finish inspecting and cutting the leather, we then go into various preparation processes. One of the most important is we custom embroider logos for whatever people want to put on their vehicle. We give people an opportunity to really customize what they want to see in their logo, and we have very high quality stitching available in a wide variety of colors to ensure that they really get the look that they want.
The transformation was absolutely awesome. When I picked up my truck, it was like driving a completely different vehicle. The quality and feel of the leather, the stitching, and the custom Craftsman logos were exceptional. The workmanship was so impressive that I got bit by the bug, and I decided to upgrade my white 2011 Silverado Lingenfelter Performance half-ton truck.
So quality is built into our entire process from start to finish. It does end with a final quality inspection with very highly trained quality inspectors who have been doing this job for many, many years.
The vehicle interior transformation, the personalization through the custom Katzkin process, and the creative design elements of which Katzkin has built its reputation really added a tremendous value to each one of my vehicles.